Hi there, this is Samuel from LS Financial, and today is the 24th of April 2017, and my current time here is 11:28 a.m. GMT. Now, I want to do a quick review on two currency pairs we analyzed last week, and these currency pairs are the Great British Pound NZD and the NZDJPY. Now, if you haven't watched the analysis yet, it's uploaded on our YouTube channel, so I encourage you to go watch it to really understand my thought process on these currency pairs and the analysis on them. Now, couple of things here. You realize that I have in the video from last week, I pointed out that this market has been respecting some level of resistance and it's due to fall. So we are just trying to catch the wave down. Okay, so that is what we are doing. Now, could these levels be breaking? Could this current level of resistance be broken up to the upside? Yes, it could. But we are just putting ourselves into the position of capturing capturing pips if it's supposed to go down. And to have some indications of going down, we need to point out some key levels of resistance, and then the market respects that level of resistance, and then we look to fall. So yeah, that is what we have here. Something you can do currently is this. For the aggressive traders out there, well, you could use this. You could use this current setup as an aggressive setup where we have basically broken this counter trend line, and we find the markets, or we find the candles at the south side of this trend line. Now, this is a very aggressive approach, and well, it depends on you, the trader, and how you understand things. But that is it for an aggressive approach. A very conservative approach would be to wait for this counter trend line to be broken, and to find the candles at the south side of this counter trend line, and that would be a very aggressive, a very conservative trade, and we are looking to capture some moves down if you find the candles at the south side of this. So yeah, that is it on the Great British Pound. So maybe you might want to take entries on the 1 hour time frame or the 2 hour time frame. So it's the same approach. We find out that the market took out this low. This low is lower than this low, which could probably indicate that it's time to go down. So yeah, so those of you who have a small account or like to take smaller risk, this is what you can do. So you can have this aggressive counter trend line. When you find the candles at the south side of this, it's time to go down. Okay, so you could possibly find the U-turn. So assuming the U-turn is around this level, you would put your stop above the U-turn, and then you take, so let's assume this level is our U-turn. Let's assume a U-turn is around this area, and you find the candles on the south side. Your stop will be here, and your profits would be, well, it depends on how much of pips you want to capture. But my target really from the daily time frame is somewhere around this level of resistance. Oops, sorry, let me get back it's again. So yeah, so my level of resistance is somewhere around 74, 79. Well, we can do a very round figure, 75. So 75 would be our level we are looking to take this markets down for the next 700 pips. Okay, so that is it on the NZD, Great British Pound NZD. Could the market stop us out? Yes, it could, because this market has been very choppy for quite a while now, and well, but that is what we have on the table as of now. Okay, so that is it on the Great British Pound NZD. On the NZDJPY, if you haven't watched the video, I encourage you to go watch the video, and please do subscribe. Yeah, so I pointed out that you this currency pair had been falling without a very major level of, I mean, a very decent resistance. Okay, I mean, a pullback, right? That should be the term, a pullback. So I pointed out last week that I was looking at this market broken this. I mean, we had already broken the counter trend line, which was indicating that this market is due to rally back up at least to the nearest level of resistance, which was around 77.47. So that was our target as of last week, and you can clearly see the market gapped on Sunday. It's gapped on Sunday, and within just a gap, we're able to get to our targets. Okay, and you can see clearly from my trading history, you could see I captured about 149 pips on this one alone. So now, my thought process currently is that this level is probably acting as a resistance level, which could, so like it means past support becoming future resistance. Okay, so now with this level, what I anticipate is that I would want the market to retrace a bit and go to our next level of support to act as future resistance, which is around 78.89. So that is where I want to take the market down to. So this is what I'm waiting for. I am waiting for well, at least some days or 3 days or more to have some level of retracement, and then we would look to buy to our next level. Of course, we would look to have some level of confirmation if it's really going to go to that level or not. So yeah, that is it on the NZDJPY. So a quick recap on the NZD, on the Great British Pound NZD. I'm looking for a counter trend line break, find the candles on the south side, and it's downtime. And with JPY, we have already got to our target, so I anticipate some level of retracement at least to fill this gap, and then we'll look to buy to our next level of resistance around 78.89. And that is it. So thank you so much for your time, and please do well, please do well to subscribe to our channel, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye bye.